How to fix World app. Fail to fetch data error. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the fail to fetch data error on the World app. So if your app isn't loading or keeps showing that error, follow along step by step to get it working again. Alright, let's dive in. First, let's restart the app and clear its data. Close the app completely. Now press and hold the World app icon and tap App Info. Next, hit Force Stop. After that, go into Storage and Cache. From here, tap Clear Cache, then Confirm. If the problem still isn't gone, you can also tap Clear Data. Just keep in mind this will reset the app settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your account. It just resets the app's saved files on your phone and removes anything that might be causing conflicts. Once that's done, open the app again and see if it's working. If it's still not fixed, we need to make sure the app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for World app, and if you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Running an outdated version is a common reason this error happens. And finally, if nothing else works, let's do a fresh reinstall. Uninstall the World app completely, then go back to the Play Store and download it again. Log back in, and the fail to fetch data error should be gone. And that's it. By following these simple steps, your World app should be back to normal in no time.